Hello, guys. This is me, Awasim Hassan. Today we'll discuss about the extraordinary, excellent, the quality of fabric. You can say how to earn money from offline. You can say how to make money, how to make extra money offline. There is the 40 ways you can earn money from there. The first one is house it in your local area. Make extra money by housing sitting for people in the local area. If your main job is online, you can also consider house sitting across the country instead of paying rent. The second option is turn your car into billboard. Earn money by placing advertisement on your car. Very excellent, great idea, guys. And the third one is mow lawns or offer gardening service. Pick up some short-term local worker moving lawns and gardening. If you enjoy it, you can grow it into the small business. Shovel snow. Whilst other peoples are drilling snowstorms, you will be counting the cash. Start with the shovel and the reinvest part of the earning into the snowball and snow plants. The fifth option is the clean houses. This is the great side hustler that you can grow into the kind of business where other people do the work for you. And the babysit children. Responsible, caring babysitters are always in demand. If you enjoy it, you might consider growing your service into the full daycare center someday. The seventh one option is pet sit for dog and cats. Pet sitting is the great way to make extra money or travel the world on budget. The eighth one, the train dogs on the evening and weekends. Every home that welcome a new dog can benefit from training. Good dog trainers can have a lasting impact on the relationship between the beloved family members and the pet for many years. Consider in home pet training at the premium price. The next option is walk dog and enjoy the exercise. If you love dogs, then dogs walking is the great side hustle. This is the great choice if you sit at the computer all day and want to drop couple pounds because you basically get paid to exercise. Help people move. Help people move to home or deliver furniture. People who purchase furniture on the Cargill often new way delivery. Very guys, the great idea. You can earn maximum profit. The next one is assemble furniture for peoples. Pick up quick side work assembling furniture. Visit taskrabbit.com for job posted into area or list your services or the cargissist. The next one option is do office. Temp work through agency. You use your vacation days to temporary work with the receptionist, customer services agent, or office assistants. Skilled work like programming and app developing are also in the high demand and the temp agency. Repair and restore cars. Offer discounted auto body repair or restoration services. Develop a good reputation and you can build your way to the premium rates. And the 14 uh, perform mobile oil changes. Offer at home oil change services after hours and you can get maximum profit with reasonable prices. This is the great option you can also available. So guys, you should have much confident about this degree. I hope you will be enjoyed.